Hello learners, in this video we will learn how to use WebView in Android and why we use WebView. WebView is a browser for your application, but it's required like somewhere you want to open a web URL directly in your application rather than opening in a mobile another browser application like Chrome or another browser. So for that Android provide us a web view. With the help of this view you can render your HTML pages in your application. So in this video we will learn how to use WebView in Android. So first of all we need to add WebView in our layout file. Okay, and for that first of all you will take a WebView on in your layout. Okay, and set the constraint. After that when it's give the ID to this WebView. So WebView, because it will load content from internet, and for that you need to give a permission to your application for internet. So use permission internet. Okay, apart from this now change the height and width of this to match parent, so it will consume all the given space. Okay, so now we require some URL which we are going to load here. So we are going to load our Google website, Google link https google.com. Okay, now to use this WebView for that, before loading this WebView or loading this URL in WebView, first we need to set up a client for this WebView. Value client, WebView client. Okay, and set WebView client is equal to client. Okay, and now load this URL WebView dot load URL. Okay, http Google link. Okay, now run your program to check the output, and meanwhile it's loading. I will explain you more option to load the data, as well as another option available with this WebView, like WebView dot load. Here you can see you will load different thing like you will load string. You will load string data means you have some HTML code in the form of string, then you can load that as well. For that you need to define what is the mem type as well as encoding for that data, and according to your type and given parameter WebView will load data accordingly. Okay, and apart from this, WebView have its own settings which you can customize, means that JavaScript is enabled or other. Okay, so I'm not going to explain this property here. Okay, so it's going to launch. It will take some time to load a web URL. So let's see. Yes, it's loaded. You can check. This is okay. I will show you one more thing, like if I remove this and run our application again. Okay, then sometime or in a latest version of Android, if you try to load URL without HTTPS, it will give you error, or maybe it will not load in your application. So let's check when it's loaded. If it's not loaded, I will tell you what is the fix to so that it's load in our application. Okay, actually Android has changed a lot of things for sake of privacy and security. That's why this problem occurs, means it will not load URL without HTTPS. You can see now I just change HTTP as to HTTP. Now it's stop working. To fix this, you need to add one line here and say clear test traffic true. Okay, now run our same code. You will check it will work fine now. So if you are using HTTPS URL, then there is no need to add this property in our manifest. But if you are using simple URI with HTTP, then definitely in your application this will not work. For that you need to add that particular line, means clear test traffic true. Okay, so now check after adding this line our Google is loaded or not. Yes, it is loaded perfectly. So thanks for your time. Please subscribe, share and like my videos. If you have any concern or doubt, please share with me in a comment box. I will try my best to answer your query as soon as possible. Thank you very much.